So this recipe broke me, but I'm not a quitter. So this is what happened. You've got to be joking. And this is what happened the second time. Okay guys, it's down here. Are you ready to see what the end result was? I don't know why I have my glasses off. Alright, here we go. Ta-da! Layers, guys. We have layers. So we've got the pasta, we've got the meat sauce, and the bechamel, crispy cheese on top. I'm so relieved. I hate when recipes don't turn out. The good thing about this recipe is, but basically all of my recipes is that, well, number one, they're on the scroungline.com. You can grab all my recipes there for free and print them, but I make sure that my recipes work before I put them on the website, and this one definitely works. The egg whites were a horrible idea. I will not name names, but I ended up using my Yaz method, tried and true, and thank you to you guys on Facebook for actually suggesting that method as well. I spoke to my mum the day before I made this the first time. I told her I was going to do the egg whites. She thought that sounded a bit strange, but I was confident it was going to work. I ended up doing the bechamel for this one, and it actually did work. This recipe is delicious. It's on my website, scroungline.com, ready for you guys to try. It's going to be just as delicious when you make it. Thank you so much for sticking through me on this emotional journey. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. I should probably try this though, shouldn't I?